Hello, Libra people. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, the stars are encouraging you to focus on creativity, relationships, and personal growth. Let's explore how you can make the most of this vibrant energy. This period lights up your zone of self-expression and joy. Venus, your ruling planet, inspires you to embrace hobbies, passions, and creative projects. Whether it's art, writing, or simply spending time with loved ones, let your heart guide you. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, bringing optimism and opportunities for expansion. You might find luck in travel, learning, or connecting with new people who broaden your horizons. Mid-month also strengthens your sense of adventure. Consider planning a trip or exploring something that excites you. It's a great time to step out of your comfort zone. Romance is favored too. If single, you may attract someone through shared interests or social settings. Couples should focus on keeping things fresh and fun. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your financial sector. Review budgets, investments, or income streams. Your practicality will help you make smart decisions. Avoid impulsive spending. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging routines and stability. Balance innovation with practicality when navigating changes. Trust your diplomacy to find harmony. Remember, Libra, your charm and adaptability are your greatest assets. Use them to build bridges and create joy. Stay open to growth while honoring your need for balance. The universe supports your journey toward abundance and inspiration. Believe in yourself. You've got this, Libra.